You may have heard me say 2026 is going to be a year like no other. Well, we meant it. It is true. This is a beautiful new block of the month. And what's exciting about this, maybe more exciting than other block of the months, is this is our fabric. A year ago now, we started a conversation with Riley Blake with a vision of beautiful hydrangea fabrics, pearlescence in the background, and what was a dream then is a reality now. And so after so many design meetings, so many rounds of what's called strike off, you're seeing these incredible fabrics. They're absolutely beautiful. Riley Blake did an amazing job. I feel privileged to work with their gifted, talented team to bring you this incredible collection called Hydrangeas in the Garden. These incredible fabrics are screen printed cottons. That is the best fabric to quilt with, right? We know digital is amazing, but screen printed is just classic. By the way, before I jump into the block of the month, the fabrics you're seeing on set are from, of course, Hydrangeas in the Garden. We also have that pink colorway. While you're waiting for this block of the month to kick off, we do have fat quarter bundles with jelly rolls, which Riley Blake calls roly-polies, 10-inch squares. We have the 5-inch squares. We even have needle minders and bag charms. So there's lots of things you could be making in the meantime while we're waiting for this block of the month to kick off. So this is our newest block of the month based around our collection Hydrangeas in the Garden, of course, from Riley Blake. This is a 7-month block of the month program, and you can see how beautiful it is. And we're so excited to see this now in the first project of many to come that we'll be designing with our collection. And you can see this is perfect for just welcoming spring and summer, bright and vibrant, but not overpowering, and it settles right into that pocket of just beautiful and timeless. So we invite you to join this 7-month block of the month program. You'll be receiving the fabric to make 2 of the same block each month, and we'll continue in that pattern for 6 months. And then in the 7th month, you'll be receiving all the fabrics for the sashing. Our 9 patch, we have a really interesting fun inner border. It has a lot of words on that here in this beautiful kind of limey green. Our beautiful outer border, which is this fabric here, and then our binding. And we picked the perfect backing, of course, is that beautiful main hydrangea print, again in that periwinkle blue purple. That's just, well, classic. It reminds me of my grandma's garden. There's a lot of notions on the table, but I want to call your attention to the 2 that'll really be a game changer for you, particularly with the precision of your blocks. There's a lot of flying geese in this block of the month, and so the ultimate flying geese tool is a no-brainer. This is one that you just want to add to your sewing room if you don't already have it. There is no better, more efficient, or accurate way to make flying geese units than with that tool. And you can check out that video. I've already filmed that if you want to curious how that works. And the 2-inch star singles. We get to make 8 perfect half square triangles at a time with ease. We're sewing on paper. Again, I filmed that video. You can check that out. For me to dial in that 1/4 inch, so all of these sections click together like a puzzle, I use my seam guide to make sure I find that perfect 1/4 inch. These other notions are important as well, so we'll kind of pan over that. Make sure you're kind of taking notations of, oh, you know what, it's been a while since I've changed the needle in my sewing machine, or gosh, I noticed that blade's kind of dull. Do yourself a favor, just change that blade in the rotary cutter. You're going to have such a better time. The cuts will be cleaner and your blocks will be more accurate. We all know with patchwork quilts that it's all about precise cutting and precise piecing. As much as we're concentrating on that, sometimes something goes, well, oops. And so we've developed something called an oops kit. If you make a small mistake, just grab out a bit of that fabric from the oops kit and start again. So this is an option for you, not a requirement, but if you kind of want that low cost insurance policy of like, oh, I can't believe I cut that too short, don't worry. Grab out your oops kit, get your fabric, iron it out, make a clean cut, and start again. Rest easy. The point is to have fun, right? Not stress out. And we all know it's fun to be able to make extra projects. So when you have fabric left over from an oops kit, you can always make a coordinating project. But the most important thing, I say it every time, especially in a block of the month program, is get your spot. Help us make history as we move forward into the future with this beautiful collection and even more to come with Riley Blake. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website right now. I can't wait to see you in this program. So much fun. Be sure to reserve your spot. this beautiful backing fabric, as well as the Oops kit. Don't forget the Ultimate Flying Geese if you don't already have that, and the 2-inch star singles. And thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you the very first project we've ever done with our brand new collection with Riley Blake, Hydrangeas in the Garden.